Hey, besties, and welcome back to Thrive in 5, where I give you a quick burst of motivation and productivity in 5 minutes or less. I'm Cindy, your host, a self made entrepreneur, busy mom, and business coach. I've built and sold several digital businesses ranging from 5 to 6 figure successes. So when it comes to managing time and priorities in life and work, I get it. Today, we are talking about one of the most powerful tools for staying focused and on track: journaling. Whether you are working towards a big goal or trying to stay organized in your daily life, journaling can be your secret weapon. So let's dive in to how you can use journaling to stay clear, focused, and motivated to achieve your goals. It's a powerful way to reflect on your progress, organize your thoughts, and stay accountable to yourself. It gives you space to get out all of your ideas, worries, and plans. We need to get that all out of your head and onto paper. By regularly journaling, you're creating a roadmap for your goals, tracking your wins, and identifying areas where you might need to adjust. When life gets busy, it's easy to lose track of what matters most. When journaling, it brings you back to your goals and priorities, helping you stay aligned to your why. You don't need to spend hours on journaling. Just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. If writing in a journal isn't for you, take the concept and use them as thinking questions. Regardless, this will help you. Here are a few prompts that you can use to guide your journaling practice. Start your day with an intention. Ask yourself, what are my top 3 priorities for today? Writing those down helps you focus on what truly matters and gives you a sense of direction. Reflect on your progress. At the end of the day or week, ask yourself and journal on the following questions: what did I accomplish? What challenges did I face? This reflection helps you celebrate small wins and learn from any obstacles. And finally, journaling about future goals. So, setting future goals of where you want to go next, whether it's personal, professional, emotional, it just keeps you motivated and keeps you forward focused. Don't stress out about filling the pages or writing perfectly. It's about creating a habit of self awareness and intentional planning and brain dumping onto the paper. One of the best parts is that journaling shows you how far you've come. When you write down your progress and your challenges, it's easier to see your growth over time. It keeps you motivated even when things get tough. It's a reminder that every step forward, no matter how small, is a step toward your goals. So, besties, if you've been feeling a little scattered or off track, grab a journal and start writing down your thoughts, plans, and progress. You'll be amazed at how much clearer and motivated you feel when you take a few moments to reflect and refocus. Thanks for spending these 5 minutes with me on Thrive in 5. If today's tip was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this with another amazing person who could use a little motivation to stay on track. If you're on social media, tag exclusively Cindy. I'd love for you to share with me how you're using journaling to stay on track with your goals. Until next time, stay focused and keep thriving.